How to add words to iPhone dictionary or autocorrect. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Go to Text Replacement as shown. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, type in the phrase you want to replace. For example, just kidding. And then, type in the shortcut. For example, JK. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. The shortcut will automatically expand into the word or phrase as you type. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. Here, tap on the new message icon at the bottom. Go to the text bar and type in the shortcut you just created. As you can see, it has automatically expanded into the phrase on your keyboard. Following these steps, you can easily add words to iPhone dictionary or autocorrect.